Need to find your IBAN number for your nationwide account? In this video, I'll show you exactly where to look, quick and easy. First, log in to your nationwide online banking account. Once you're in, go to the Account section and select the account you want the IBAN for. Your IBAN should be listed there along with your sort code and account number. If you prefer the app, open the Nationwide mobile app and tap your account. Scroll down, and you'll find your IBAN displayed right with your account details. You can also find your IBAN on a paper statement if you get those in the mail. Just look near your sort code and account number. If you don't have access to online banking or your statement, don't worry. You can always call Nationwide Customer Service at 03-457-3030-2020. They'll help you find your IBAN safely. Remember, the IBAN is important for international transfers, so always double-check it before sending money abroad. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.